Imagine opening a treasure chest filled with maths powers only you can use. By the end of this module, you'll add, subtract, multiply, divide, and estimate in your head faster than most people with a calculator. Ready to become the keeper of these keys? So far, you've unlocked four big powers: using complements to make easy tens and hundreds, smart multiplying patterns, quick squaring shortcuts, and division with built in checks. None of this is magic, it's method, and you're learning to control it. The first power is complements. Instead of counting step by step, you jump to the nearest 10, 100, or 1000 and then fill the gap. Ask, what goes with this number to complete the puzzle? That missing piece is the complement, and it makes sums and differences fast. Next comes the multiplier trick, a fast way to multiply two two-digit numbers without writing long columns. You move in three stages: first across, then diagonally, then straight down. Each stage gives one part of the answer, and you simply read the digits from left to right. Then we unlock special number shortcuts for squaring. For numbers ending in 5, like 35 squared, ignore the 5, do 3 times 4 is equal to 12, then stick 25 on the end for 1225. For numbers near 100, like 98 squared, it's 2 below 100, so do 98 2 is equal to 96, then 2 squared equals 04, giving 9604. We also add a new tool, the inspector. Its job is to check whether a division answer makes sense. One way is to reverse the calculation, multiply the answer by the divisor, and add any remainder. Another is to estimate using friendly numbers. Speed matters, but accuracy wins. Think of these skills like powers in a game. Give yourself an honest star rating for each one. Where do you feel confident? And where do you still hesitate or slow down? Any power that's 3 stars or less becomes your training quest for next week. Focusing on one weak area at a time is how you level up fastest. Now look at each challenge and solve it in your head. Don't worry about speed yet. Just notice which questions feel smooth and which feel sticky. Those sticky ones show exactly where these tricks will help you most. To really master mental maths, what matters isn't huge study marathons, it's tiny, regular sessions. Your brain learns better from short daily practice than from one long weekly grind. So instead of waiting for a big study day, set a simple rule: 5 to 15 minutes, most days. Keep it light, keep it regular, and your speed will grow naturally. Treat your practice like a short, powerful workout. Start with 2 minutes of easy warm up questions to wake up your brain and get some quick wins. Then spend about 10 minutes in the focus zone, working on one main skill only, like a specific trick from this course. Finish with a 3-minute cooldown using real life maths or puzzles. Don't cram everything in. Follow this blueprint each day, and your progress stacks up. Now zoom out and plan your week like a training battle plan. Pick just one or two skills each day and focus hard for a short burst, instead of cramming everything at once. Use weekdays for drills and examples, then save Saturday for games, apps, or challenges. And protect Sunday as a full rest day so your brain can reset and remember faster. Let's turn practice into a game. Use quick apps, 5-minute sprint timers, or even ordinary cards to drill your tricks. The aim is to weave mental maths into everyday life, estimating totals, splitting bills, and challenging friends just for fun. Think of your training in two phases. First is precision. Ignore speed and aim for 10 correct answers in a row using any tricks you like. Once that feels easy, move to velocity. Keep your accuracy, but try to finish the same type of set faster. Today, record how many questions you solve in 5 minutes. Then beat that score within 2 weeks. Pause and take a breath. Every mistake is simply a hint about what to try next. Keep playing with numbers. Your curiosity is the real superpower behind all these tricks. Now it's your turn to sprint. Grab a timer, choose one trick, and race yourself. How many questions can you crush in 30 seconds? Let's unlock your fastest, sharpest maths brain, starting right now.